Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to share how to increase the font size on your Mac. The first method is great because it doesn't mess with your screen resolution. Go ahead and open System Settings. Next, go to Accessibility. From here, click on Display. You'll see an option called Text Size. Click on that. Now, just move the slider to the right. You'll see the text get bigger, and there's a preview right below it so you can check the size. If you slide it to the left, the font gets smaller. Pick a size that works for you, and then click Done. And just like that, your font size is bigger. Back in the accessibility settings, there's another cool feature called Hover Text, which is perfect if you sometimes struggle to read small text. Click on Hover Text and toggle the switch to turn it on. Now, whenever you want to magnify a specific piece of text, just hold down the Command key and hover your mouse over the text. It will instantly pop up huge, so it's super easy to read. When you release the Command key, everything goes back to normal. Next up, you can change your screen resolution. Go to Displays in your settings. If you're using multiple monitors, make sure to select the one you want to adjust. You'll see a list of resolutions. For example, if I select a higher resolution like 2K, things might look smaller. You can choose a lower resolution or larger text option here to make everything on your screen look bigger and easier to see. Finally, if you only want to increase the font size in Finder so it's easier to browse through your files and folders, but keep everything else the same, open up Finder. Make sure you are in icon view, or this works in list view too if you tweak the columns. Go ahead and press Command J. Right here, you'll see an option for text size. Just bump that number up. You'll immediately see the file names getting larger. Don't forget to click Use as Defaults at the bottom to apply this to all your folders. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.